Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 4th, 2022. We're going to talk about SoFi. This is a breakout alert for this particular stock. You guys can see that the market in SoFi went up about 28, almost 29% yesterday. Fantastic move. Now, the thing about it is that imagine the people who couldn't catch that move, though. Imagine the people who was not in position to capitalize off of that price move. What a shame. Now they're going to try to rush in and try to grab some minimal profitability out of SoFi price move higher. I got you. We're here to predict prices so that we can already be in position and capitalize off of these fantastic moves that occur on a day-to-day basis. If you guys want to join me, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I conduct these price predictions. I make sure that we are in position to win in the market without the complexities. It doesn't have to be complex. You don't have to use all of this financial jargon to try to implement that you understand what you're saying, that you're some type of financial guru. It doesn't require all of that. All it requires is our ability to dissect the price chart. That's it. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit that like button. And also subscribe to the channel because we need to talk about SoFi and where the market is going to go next. Now, I already did a video in SoFi. You guys can see it on the 30th of July. I was telling you all then that I was looking for the price in SoFi to continue to run up, to continue to go higher in price. So I'm not surprised to see that the market in SoFi is up, trading around $8.25. You guys can see a couple of days, 3 days, we got 15.5% at least out of this play, out of this recent run up in SoFi stock. We at least got 15.5%. If anything, if you were to get out on the close of yesterday's trade, you got 30.75. Fantastic. This is what we do. We come in and we grab the bread. We make bank. All right, so that's done. That is over. We got some things to talk about because if you are new to my channel, I tell all of my subscribers, when you look at price charts, you always want to pay attention to the volume. Because volume is the lifeblood of the market. It gives you how active the market is. So just yesterday, the market in SoFi was real active. The traders, pension funds, those who have assets under management who are involved in SoFi played in the market yesterday. They were successful. All this volume successfully traded price up almost 29%. They want to move the price. When you see this much volume, when you see a very wide spread, when you see a market break outside of a trading range, it means something. Now, could that possibly mean that the upward move in SoFi is not over? Most definitely, it can mean that. So we need to come in and revamp this chart. We need to come in and try to figure out where's the next level. First of all, we need to continue to follow the trend, okay? A lot of people are going to try to come in and convince us that the market is the overall stock market, the economy, with the inflation, with the interest rates, with the supply constraints, with a lot of products and services, and the massive layoffs that's going on in the space, that the market is going to crash, that we're in a recession. Like, they're going to give you all of this information. But the only thing that matters is the information from the price chart. Now, you guys can see we're in an uptrend. We're going to continue to maintain this upward trend in SoFi until we see it break it. If it doesn't ever break this ascending line, we understand that the overall market is still going to go up. That is our original idea, okay? That's going to be our ideas for this market in SoFi to continue to do that. Let's look at the chart on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see that the newest area of support in SoFi now is $7, okay? This is the new location that we're going to expect the buyers to show up. So as we see price on certain trading days, understand the market is going to go down. We got to be prepared for these things. We cannot let the sellers take out $7 to the downside, because if that happens, then we know that the upward move in SoFi is over. Don't expect the price to go up if we see the market in SoFi come all the way back down to $7. That's 15%. 15%. Okay. There's another area that I would like to see buyers support the market in SoFi, and it's right around here. You guys see that, right? I would like it to see the buyers hold price in SoFi right here. But then it tells me that the bigger move is going to occur in the market in SoFi. But if the buyers don't hold this level, which is around $7.75, then the market is not going to be that strong. We won't expect to see the market really move that high. Okay, so look at these two horizontal lines, because this is where I'm suspecting that the buyers are going to be in SoFi, right? $7.75 and $7. Now, we got a pretty good spread on this 2-day price bar right here. Pretty good spread. Volume came in as well. So let's see what we got on the 3-day chart. Okay, look at this on the 3-day chart. You guys can see that the overall market spread over the last 3 days in SoFi is pretty strong. Volume supports this move of seeing the price go up in SoFi. Now, let me zoom out this chart because I want us to see where's the next level of sellers. Where do you think the sellers are at? Just by looking at this chart. Do you think the sellers are here? Let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Do you think the sellers are here? Because if so, we need to expect the market to come down. It's just that simple. We ran up almost 29%. You would obviously expect people to come in and try to take the bag, try to come in and take the profitability, especially those who did not catch the move, especially those who was already in this position, they would definitely be coming in taking the profitability. That's the first area right here. So like $8, maybe $9. But the biggest area that I wanted to show you all, given that spread, is here. Okay, right here. This is the level that I'm looking for the market in SoFi to try to run up towards. $10. Given what we've seen on yesterday's trading day, given what we have here on these multiple time frames, the strength is coming into the market in SoFi. So I got 2 price targets already, $9 and then 10. It's just that simple. As we continue to see the strength come into the market in SoFi, we understand how we need to be moving. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on a chart. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. I'm going to go ahead and play the weakness into the strength in SoFi. Okay. I'm going to play the strength. First price target is going to be around 9. Okay, that's 9% profitability in the market for SoFi. Now I told you I would like the market to come in and try to hold $7.75 for support, but I get it. I'm going to hold it around 7. Okay, as long as the market price in SoFi holds its price above 7, we're going to look for the market to run up. First price target is 9. Second one is up here around 10. You guys can see that's another 20% movement higher in SoFi. Okay, and that's it. It's your turn. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target into the market in SoFi. We're going to continue to play the strength. Even from out the gate, price goes down. We already know where our support areas are at. Okay, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.